Hey everybody, thanks for coming by, thanks for watching this video. And we're back in my den where I do all my work, where I have my PC here and I have my Mac. Can't see it? I have my Mac down here. And today I want to talk to you about the Keychron wireless keyboard that I did a review on, or did a little unboxing and a first impressions video. I'll link it up here. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. But this is going to be my update on using a mechanical keyboard for Mac and PC. So let's get going.
Perfect.
So the Keychron keyboard, the one that I got, is the Keychron K6. It's a fully mechanical keyboard. It's a 65% layout, and it works on Mac and PC. You can toggle the layout between Mac and PC. It's great. It's great for that purpose, and that's why I really like it. I like it because I don't have to have two keyboards at my desk, one for my Mac, one for my PC. I can just switch it, and it's good to go. Now, with that being said, there are a couple little things that I have concerns with, mainly with switching. Sometimes I notice that the keyboard doesn't necessarily switch over all the time. It switches sometimes, it switches most of the time, but sometimes it just doesn't recognize a control key on the Windows side, or the command key or function key on the Mac side, or even on the Windows side for the function keys. But the easy fix is just to switch it back over to, if I'm on a PC, switch it over back to the Mac layout and then switch it back again to the Windows layout, and that clears up everything. How I have it set up is I have it hardwired to my PC, so that if I need to use it, I can use it. If I need to use it for my Mac setup, then I switch it over to Bluetooth and it connects just fine, aside from those little things that I mentioned, and I'm ready to work. Another downside is that it disconnects. If I'm sitting and contemplating and thinking about an image or looking at my work and not necessarily using the keyboard, the Bluetooth disconnects fairly quickly, just to save on battery power. But I wish it just had a little longer of a kind of, switch period, so that I don't have to keep on having to reconnect it all the time. One of the big challenges that I've had using this keyboard is the height. The height of the keyboard is a lot different than your typical Mac style chiclet keyboard. And with that, I'm finding myself mistyping things because I'm hitting the keys. The switch is very sensitive, or is sensitive for a mechanical switch, so I keep on hitting that and misspelling things here and there. But as I am working through and just getting used to it, I'm noticing my fingers are raising higher to accommodate for the height of each key. So I just want to make this quick update video on the Keychron K6, and I think it's a really good option. If you're a creative that is working on a Mac and a PC and you just want one keyboard, this is a good option. I would probably look at the K3 because it's a low profile. It's taller than a chiclet style keyboard, but it's still a mechanical switch. It still looks great. But unfortunately, we couldn't get one in because they are all out of stock. It's a brand new model. If they do come back in stock, maybe we'll be able to get one. Maybe Keychron will see this and say, hey, we'll send these guys a model to review for their channel. And are you using a mechanical keyboard? Are you using a Mac and a PC and want to just kind of have one keyboard to do it all? Have you found your keyboard that you like? If you have, just leave it in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you've what you got, what you like. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you haven't considered subscribing, please consider it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We do appreciate it, and we want to thank all our subscribers. We're nearing the 100 subscriber goal of we're nearing the 100 subscriber mark. It's a small milestone, but it's something that we're really proud of, and we want to thank each and every one of you that comes by and watches our videos. So like always, thanks for watching the video, And this is Tony signing out from the mothership. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Perfect.